Are you exporting to or thinking of exporting to Africa? Africa is a huge, rapidly growing and increasingly sophisticated marketplace that provides an expanding opportunity for exporters globally. Africa is larger than India, China, the US and Europe combined. African economies have grown on average by 5% per annum over the last decade. Africa's collective GDP will soon be over $2.6 trillion, with a rising consumer spending power of $1.4 trillion. Many countries in Africa have quality and safety standards and regulations in place with which your goods must comply. These standards help prevent the import of substandard or faulty goods and give consumers the total quality assurance they need when buying. Depending on the country you are exporting to, you may need certification to show that your goods conform to these standards. Failure to provide the certificate can cause your goods to be delayed clearing customs, result in potential fines, or even your shipment being returned to its port of origin. Intertek can help you get the certification you need. Intertek works with many of the countries across Africa that require these certificates. We are approved by their governments and standards bodies to test and certify your shipments. So, whether you are exporting to one country or many, Intertek's Pan-African coverage provides a one-stop solution to all your African export certification needs. We can provide export certification services for the following African countries: Botswana's Standards Import Inspections Regulations Programme, also known as SIIR. Ethiopia's Pre-Export Verification of Conformity Programme. Egypt's Conformity Assessment Programme. Nigeria's Standards Organization of Nigeria Conformity Assessment Programme, also known as SONCAP. Cameroon's Programme d'évaluation de la conformité avant embarquement, also known as PECE. Algeria's Conformity Assessment Programme. Mozambique's Pre-Shipment Inspection Programme. Kenya's Pre-Export Verification of Conformity Programme. Uganda's Pre-Export Verification of Conformity Programme, Tanzania's Pre-Export Verification of Conformity Programme, Gabon's Programme Gabonais d'évaluation de la conformité, also known as PROJEC, Ghana's EasyPASS Conformity Assessment Programme, and Ivory Coast's Pre-Export Verification of Conformity Programme. Intertek Government and Trade Services is the world leader in conformity assessment programs. So whatever your African export requirements, Intertek can help. We have carried out more conformity assessments for longer than any other accredited organization, with more than 2 million certificates issued to date. For more information about certificates of conformity and exporting to the African continent, please contact Intertek Government and Trade Services.